Hello traders. Today we will see 3 points which are very important for the beginners. Expert traders always keep this in mind. Let's see 1. First, select the currency pairs which have more than 80% return. 2. Now check whether there is news on the selected currency pairs or not. You can check it on investing.com. 3. Now do the chart analysis. How is the chart moving in this? Is the chart uptrend? Or is there a downtrend? Or is it sideways? See how the chart is moving. You can understand this better by increasing the time of candlestick. Now try a strategy. See if the strategy makes the chart perfect, otherwise change the setting or try another strategy. 4. See the chart and choose the expiry time of your trade so that the end trade will be closed in positive. Don't bounce back. Manage money well, do risk management. Plan a proper day and try it. Be disciplined while trading. We're the first to admit that trading binary options is a lot of fun. It's a great feeling to watch your trade expire in the money, and know that you've just made a nice chunk of cash while sitting at home. But that doesn't mean you should approach trading as you would a game. It's not a game. If you're not careful, you can, and probably will, lose money. Pro traders know this better than anybody. They realize that they need to stay disciplined when choosing assets, looking at candlestick charts, and placing trades. If they take their eyes off the ball, even for a minute, they're bound to get hurt, financially. If you want to make money with binary options, be prepared to put in some effort. Think of it as running a business. The payoff can be huge, but it rarely comes without work. This ain't the lottery. Don't try to make up losses. This is a pattern you'll commonly see with beginning traders. They lose money on a few trades, and become desperate to make their money back. The more desperate they get, the less careful they are when choosing trades. Some folks become so hot and bothered over their losses that they throw caution to the wind. They bet on just about anything, hoping to make back their money. They're like the guy who loses his bankroll playing poker, and on his way out of the casino, bets everything he has on black on the roulette table. How often does that turn out well? Bottom line, if you suffer a series of losses, take a breather. Lick your wounds and try to figure out what went wrong. Keep in mind, if you're investing smaller amounts, as we recommended above, number 2, your losses should be manageable. The key is to avoid making them worse. Number 4, don't get comfortable. Show me a trader who thinks he knows everything about binary options, and I'll show you a guy who's destined to take a beating, courtesy of the market. There is always something useful to learn that can help you make profitable trades. And once you think you have everything figured out, you're in trouble. Think of the professional baseball player who manages to maintain a high batting average. Do you think he sits at home and watches TV when he's not playing in a game? No. He's practicing his swing. He's looking for ways to improve. That's the right perspective to take when trading binary options. If you want to make the huge returns advertised on the broker's sites, you need to constantly improve your game. Learn about pivot points. Figure out how to use Fibonacci retracements. Learn to hedge your trades to minimize your losses. In other words, don't ever get comfortable. Work with trusted binary options brokers. You want to work with brokers that have a positive track record. That should go without saying, but believe it or not, a lot of folks entrust their hard-earned cash to fly-by-night brokers. The assumption seems to be that if a broker has a website, it must be legitimate. Nothing could be further from the truth. We've been reviewing brokers since this industry surfaced online. We've put together a list of legitimate binary options brokers on this site, so you don't have to find them the hard way. You'll also find a few that we suspect of shady practices that hurt traders. If you haven't done so, check out our reviews. We strongly suggest picking brokers from our list. They are the only ones we recommend. See you back with a great video. Subscribe to BinaryTricks and like the video. We will meet on Friday and Monday. Until then, keep trading and be happy.